In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form in Salesforce. This process will enable you to collect leads effectively and streamline your data collection efforts, making it simple and efficient. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage, which is the starting point for most of your tasks within Salesforce. Once you're on the home page, look for the Quick Settings icon. This icon is typically found in your Salesforce toolbar. Click on it to open up more options. Next, select the Open Advanced Setup option from the Quick Settings menu. This step takes you to a more detailed configuration area, where you can make a myriad of changes to fit your business needs. Here in the Advanced Setup search bar, type in Web to Lead. This feature is crucial as it allows you to capture lead information directly from your website into Salesforce seamlessly. Once you're on the Web to Lead page, you'll see an option to create a new form. Click on Create Web to Lead Form. This will take you to a form creation interface where all the magic happens. Focus your attention on the section labeled Available Fields. This section lists all the potential fields you can include in your form. Think of them as building blocks for collecting data. Choosing the right fields is important as they determine the type and quality of information you'll gather. Carefully consider what data you need and pick the fields that match your requirements. Once you've decided on the fields, click on Add to move them from the Available Fields list to your form. This action is what actually places those fields into your form layout, so they will appear when someone fills out the form on your website. Next, you'll need to specify your return URL. This URL is important because it directs users to a page after they submit the form. You can choose a thank you page, a product page, or any landing page that suits your follow-up process best. The next focus area is the reCAPTCHA API key pair setting. Adding reCAPTCHA helps prevent spam and ensures that the leads you collect are genuine. Implementing this feature requires setting up an API key pair, which you can do directly from this interface or through your Google account. To complete the setup, click on the magnifying glass icon. This tool helps you find additional settings or field options you might want to tweak. Lastly, highlight your desired options by selecting them to ensure everything is set up properly. Once that's done, your fillable form is created and ready to be embedded into your website. And there you have it, a fully functional fillable form in Salesforce designed to collect and manage leads efficiently. With this setup, you'll be capturing lead data more effectively than ever before. Thank you for watching and happy form building!